'Cause I don't wanna live a la la la. Can't tell my boyfriend what I've been doing. Been thinking of you. Hey, tell my school.
Okay, let's start. Oh, haha, she's in the kitchen. Like, anyways. Come on, get the egg, girl. Get it. Come on, get the corn. Okay, this is gonna take a long time, so let me just skip it. Okay, the food is ready. Well, it better be good, girl, or I'm gonna be angry. That actually looks kind of good. Um, let's see here. Okay, let's eat. Okay, wait, I don't have a seat. Wait, what? But I'm so sad, but it's okay. Oh, wait a minute. So I closed my eyes and then opened my eyes, and all of a sudden the food is done. Like, okay, he should be meeting you again at the presidential suit. Suit? Is it suit? I don't know. Please follow the path to the computer room. Okay, why is everyone? Uh, girl just died. Like, anyways, let's go. Wait, where's everyone? Oh, it's the wrong way. Okay, there's a lot of computers. Wait, how did he teleport here? Okay. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack door systems. Okay, okay. The president is waiting in the presidential suit. Suit. Suit? In order to protect the president, we created a secret code, blah, 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 blah. Now you must try to figure out the code. Um, um, Good luck, hackers. Okay, how are we supposed to, what are we supposed to do? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Uh, I just get ready. Oh, well, we really need to work on that code. No, meet the president, whatever. Me with the president in the next room. Hello.
Let me go find me a pen, look where it led, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip, I keep dragging her so she bold a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it, and I want the green, so I all of
So anyways, great, let's open the door then. Ain't no way I'm sleeping with all these people. Nor clear. No, 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 this is, no, 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 no. It's nighttime already. I can't sleep. Yeah, I can't sleep with you guys. Can't sleep. There's something about this flight that scares me. Guys, the captain. Yeah, what about it? What the? Ooh, jump scare. Okay. Oh no, it's the monster. Did you forget about me so early? Hell no, man. No, wait, no. It's okay, I have Robux. Okay, I revived. Now, if I die again, I'm actually gonna blow up. So where do we go? Do we just keep going forward or something? Okay, I just teleported. Yeah. Okay, yep. Wait, is the lava gonna come here? Okay. I don't know what to do right now. Do we like get up? Why is everyone going up? Do I have to like go up or something? Wait, what? Are we safe now?
Are we safe now? The floor! Oh, wait. Oh my god. Are we gonna die or something? I'm scared. Are we gonna die? I think we're gonna die. Oh, wait, what? The fire is gone. What's happening? Okay, let me get on the floor. Okay, can we get out?
Okay. Anyways, guys, the bell is ringing. We should pick it up. Hello, who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible's happening on this plane. What's happening? And say, I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Okay, just open the door. Give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay. Do I have it? Oh. Okay, let's go. How do I bump into the wall? Anyways, you will not escape this time. Was he chasing us or something? Uh-huh.
Oh no. Don't let him catch you. Oh my god, that actually scared me. I'm jumping for my life. I'm jumping for my life. Go get another person. Why me? Just because I'm at the back. Okay, wait, okay. Ah! Bro, open the door. Let me in, please. I'm just gonna go backwards. He's not chasing me anymore. Okay. Hehe, he didn't chase me anymore.